3, 2, 1, go.
It's just wanna, it's just wanna, it's just wanna. It's the Wanna Show, it's the Wanna Show, it's the Wanna Show, it's the Wanna Show. Welcome back to another day in life of It's the Wanna Show. Hey, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Let's get it, let's turn it up. It's your girl. What's up, what's up, what's up? Welcome back. Okay, thank you, EJ, to the production of that song. Welcome back to another day in life of the It's Just Wanna Show. And I'm trying to hurry up before my phone died. So, y'all, we're going to do an unboxing of my, I already opened it, but my Lashkit. Okay? It literally has everything, all my little knickknacks. Okay? Everything that you need. Practice list, my fan. Okay? The main thing, the mannequin head, okay, gel pads, a gel pad to put the lashes on, some scissors. What else we have? We have our lash trays. Okay, I'll go over the sizes that's in there. I already showed y'all the other strips, okay? And then we have both tweezers, okay? These are the tweezers. These are tweezers that it came with, okay? We have our spoolies, and then we also have our, these are other type of Q-tip spoolie for the primer. Glue, I'm gonna let Ashley too, y'all. To focus, we have some glue, and then this is the, what's this? This is the remover for the lashes. We have our tape. Okay, we have two types of tape. Okay, y'all, so my phone died. My phone had died. Okay, so this is the glue. This is the glue. This is the, what's this? The glue, and this is the remover. The spoolie. Okay, we got to get a lash bath. It came with the shampoo, eyelash shampoo, the fan, the head, okay, and also came with more of these. I think I just showed y'all those. Yeah. I think that's pretty much it. Oh, and then these, the mapping, and then this is also, you can use these to stick on your your little stone pad or your gel pad to practice like clusters or anything like that. Yeah, one of my lashes is coming off and I don't want to put it back on. So that's everything. I want to go ahead and practice just a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Just a little bit. I'm about to use my oh, okay, they go in. Oh, that's cute. Just like that. Just so y'all love you. And I got my window open. I'll bring that down. Okay. Make it easy for my back. Make sure I'm comfortable. We have our tweezers. Shake up that glue. Oh, and we also have this too, and I think this is to like clean my tweezers. This is to soak something. I'm gonna find out for what though. I'm gonna give you something to eat. So of course, if I was to start, I would thoroughly wash my hands. I'll take the shampoo, wash my clean lashes. Take my little spoolie, wash, get a little paper towel, some water, you know, squeeze that gently on the eye, clean that, damp that. Then I will take my fan, make sure they're dry, okay? But of course, you know, use this first before you get them lash back because you want to make sure that it's removed. And then also, after you remove the lashes, okay? Make sure you're in a good position. Remove your lashes properly with your cream, okay? Make sure you are using the right utensils to clean. I will use one of these for my remover and just wipe just a little bit on there. And I will take a spoolie and another one of these and I will just gently brush through thoroughly like that. Okay, take a paper towel, wipe that off, and then we're going to hit it with the lash bath. Okay, and we're going to take the water and the paper towel. We don't want it all in the eye, so we're going to take the paper towel, put it on top, put the water right there just a little bit, do the room, dab. We're going to do that a couple times until we can see it's clean and then we get as much residue off as possible, okay? Right here, now my manicure head came with lashes on there. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take both of them out. And I'm going to add another layer because I want to practice doing classic, but with more volume on them. But not a volume set, but just some definition to them. Okay, now I'm left-handed, so I will be figuring out like if I want to, you know, use my isolation you know, with one. Okay. Okay, y'all, so right here I'm just practicing, and until it was time for me to go pick up the boys in the next week, I picked up the boys from school, and we went to go Uber and grab some food. So it's a mini mukbang. All right now I am doing Uber, but we're gonna kind of get like a little driving mukbang of an Uber at the same time because I'm hungry and I'm not gonna have time to go home to go sit. Oh, shit. Some hot honey from I got hot honey, and I also have.
For today's at-home experiment, we are going to create rainbow bubbles through the power of chemistry. Remember, all good scientists need good lab assistants, and all kid scientists need good brains for more fun and color.
And we have
finally,
barbecue.
we have vinegar. So first, what you're going to do is line a tray with baking soda, and this might get a little messy, which is why
hot honey. Okay, y'all gonna keep seeing me look this way because I'm driving.
And here is where we make it colorful. We're going to
I'm like, oh my God, how you driving your hand? Don't worry about it.
This just look very, very beautiful. Kind of like rainbow fireworks. Just sprinkle it everywhere. It's going to get a little bit messy. Here we go. And finally, we're going to add some glue, just like that.
Yeah,
We're ready for our very special ingredient, vinegar is an acid, and baking soda
My
is
chicken.
base.
See back.
When we add these two together,
You had pizza.
it's going to create an acid-base reaction, which is going to create a lot of carbon dioxide.
How you gonna wait?
Bubbles. Here we go. We're going to fill our syringe with vinegar and just squirt it on our tray and get rainbow bubbles just like that. And if you want to go crazy, just pour all the vinegar in.
I ate the first. Hold on, I'll be back.
Yeah, did it hurt?
All right. Okay, hold on.
No. What do you think? Superheroes!
Let me charge this so this can get some juice so it don't die. Okay, sit back, Tata. I'll get y'all back there in a minute. I'll get y'all that. Sit back, Taxi. The hot honey is fire. I didn't get no fries. I would have got full off the fries. Let me try one of these. Barbecue, baby. We just poured the sauce on there versus drenching it in it. Look at that. Don't want to. Ooh, don't drop it. Burberry, you want a piece of chicken? You want it, BB? Do you want it? BB didn't want my chicken. Let me speed up and put a little. I was only doing like 50. The other one's hot. I'll take some of it off. This Indian man try to roll up on me. Alright, I'm all done. I basically had a 6-piece. I gave them 2 apiece. Them 2. Woo! That hot honey. I'll be back to talk to y'all in a minute. I'm gonna drop out this water.